Andersen in the middle. Rupar straight to the post, but it's in the keeper's hands. Now a chance for a counter attack. Maria sent it long. Miscommunication, chance for a goal, and the ball goes in. Barreiro scores. Alison Barreiro scores. She kept track of the ball, had the opportunity, took her shot, and a very precious.
Paraguay milli takımının golü 9 numaralı formasıyla Alison Barreiro.
Here Alison Barreiro took advantage of the miscommunication between Sara Arones and Anna Pettersen. She kept tracking. Player changes for Norway. Now they have to equalize. They have to find a goal, otherwise